Hello everyone, have a great day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel MP at Mogan Palani. I hope previous videosலாம் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன், ரைட்? லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நம்ம எக்ஸசைஸ் 4.5ல கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 12 வரைக்கும் சால்வ் பண்ணி முடிச்சிருந்தோம். இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் அதோட கண்டினியூஷன், தட் இஸ் கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 13ல இருந்து சால்வ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ 13th கொஸ்டின் என்ன அப்படின்னா 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5, x minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4, same, right? That is solve the question. அவ்வளோதான். Solve the system of equation 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 0. So that is your 13th question. Solution. Now first what we have to do, the given equations can be written in the form of ax equal to b. So that is the first thing. So இது வந்து common for all the problems, right? Then where, what is your a value? So the coefficients of the variable, right? So this 2, 3, 3, first row, 1 minus 2 plus 1, second row, 3 minus 1 minus 2, third row. So that is the thing, right? So about 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. So that is your A matrix. Then what about x, the variables? X, y, z is your variable. So that is your x matrix. And then B is nothing but the right hand side of the given equation. So 5 minus 4 and 3. So that is your B matrix. So that's all for the split up, right? Then we need to find the inverse of this matrix. So we have to find the determinant initially, right? In case if determinant is non-zero, then only the inverse is exist, right? Then what is the determinant of this matrix? So the first row, if you are selecting this 2, its corresponding row and column should be leaved. So 2 into, so 2 2s are 4. Then opposite, minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then the second element as minus, right? So minus of 3 into the corresponding row and column, if we leave them, we'll get minus 2 into 1, it minus 2, minus of 3, that is minus 3, right? Then the next element is plus 3. So its corresponding row and columns are leaved. So 3 into, so minus into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus of minus 6 becomes plus 6. So 3 into minus 1 plus 6. Then the answer is 2 into, this answer is 5. So minus 3 into, this answer is minus 5, plus 3 into 5. So 2 5s are 10. And then minus 3 into minus 5 becomes plus 15. So 3 into 5 plus 15. So 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. So your determinant of A is nothing but 40, which is a non-zero matrix. Therefore your A is non-singular matrix, non-singular square matrix, so that A inverse exists. Only A inverse exists if your determinant is non-zero. That's it. Next we need to find the assignment of A. So what we are going to do for the assignment, I am using the shortcut method again. So what we are going to do, so this is your matrix A. We have to write this A matrix for 4 times. So this is 1 and the right side for the second term, and then the below third one, and then the fourth time. So we are writing the A matrix in 4 times. Then what we have to do, so the element should be deleted, the first row and the last column, last row, first column. Then we need to find the determinant of this. So minus 2 into minus 2 becomes plus 4, minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 4 plus 1. Then this element 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus of 6, it becomes plus 6. So minus 3 plus 6. So and then next 3, minus of minus 6 becomes plus 6. So 3 plus 6. That is your first row. Then for second row, what we have to do, these two columns we have to take. So 3 into 1, 3, minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 3 plus 2. Then what is the next thing? Minus of 4, minus of minus 9, sorry, minus 9. So 4 minus 4 minus 9. That is your this entry. Then 3 minus 2. So that is this entry. That's it. Then what about the third row? So minus 1, minus of minus 6 becomes plus 6. So minus 1 plus 6 is your next entry. Then 3 into 3, 9, minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 9 plus 2, that is this entry. Then minus 4, minus 3. So minus 4 minus 3 is your last element. So this is how we need to find the assignment of A. So 4 plus 1, minus 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6, 3 plus 2, minus 4 minus 9, 3 minus 2, minus 1 plus 6, 9 plus 2, minus 4, minus 3. Then adding all those things, you will get 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. So this is your assignment of A. Okay, so assignment A is over. Next, what we have to do? We need to find the A inverse. So what is your A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into assignment of A. So 1 by your determinant of A is 40 and assignment A we found outside, sorry, upside. So this is your assignment of A. Then this is your A inverse for the matrix. Hence we need to find the solution. What is your solution? X can be written as A inverse into B. That is your solution. Then your A inverse matrix is 1 by 40 times 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. And your B matrix is 5 minus 4, 3. So this is your X. So multiply them. This is 3 by 3. This is 3 by 1. So we can do multiplication because this column and this row are same, right? So first row, first column. 1 by 40 into 5 5s are 25. 3 into minus 4 minus 12. 9 into 3 plus 27. Second row, first column. 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus. 13 into 4 52. 1 into 3 plus 3. Then third row, this column 25 minus 44 minus 21. Then 1 by 40 into adding this you will get 40. Adding this you will get 80. And then minus 40 65 plus 20. It becomes minus 40. Then multiply this 1 by 40 to the inside. You will get 40 by 40. It becomes 1. 80 by 40 it's 2. Minus 40 by 40 it is minus 1. So your X is nothing but X, Y, Z. This is your X matrix, so that your solution is 1, 2, 3. So that your X value is 1, Y value is 2, Z value is minus 1. So this is your solution for this matrix, right? So that's all for this question number 13. Okay. So next question 14. So again same, solve the system of equation. X minus y plus 2 is equal to 7. 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to minus 5. And 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 12. That is your fourth question of a solution. So the given equation can be written in the form of Ax equal to b. So that is the given, right? Then we have to separate the A, B, C matrix, sorry, A, B, X matrix. So 1, minus 1, 2. 3, 4, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 3. That is your row of A, right? Similarly, X, Y, Z is X matrix. 7 minus 5, 12 is your B matrix. So your A is nothing but 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 5, 2 minus 1, 3. X is nothing but X, Y, Z. B is 7 minus 5, 12. So that is your B. Next, we need to find the determinant of A in order to find the inverse. So determinant of A is this one. So if you leave this corresponding row and column, you'll get 4 3s are 12 minus 5, right? So 12 minus 5. This minus into minus becomes plus. But when we are doing the determinant, we are putting this minus, right? Then minus of minus 1 into. So if you leave this row and column, 3 3s are 9. Minus of minus 10 becomes plus 10. So plus 2 into, if you leave this row and column, minus 3 minus 8. So 1 into 7 plus 1 into 19 plus 2 into minus 11. So the answer is 7 plus 19 minus 22. So determinant of A is nothing but 4, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, your A is non-singular. So that is A is non-singular, then its inverse is exists. So we need to find the assignment of A. So your assignment of A, we need to write that in the 4 times. So 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 5. 2 minus 1 3, that is your A matrix. We have to write this for 4 times. So we are writing that. After that we need to cancel the first row and the last row, last column and the first column, and then we find the determinant. So this first row, last column, last row, first column deleted. Then 4 3s are 12 minus 5, right? So 12 minus 5 is your first entry. Then minus 2 minus of minus 3 becomes plus 3. Then plus 5 minus 10, sorry, minus 8. Then the second row becomes minus 10 minus 9. So 3 minus 4. So 5 6 minus of minus 5 becomes plus 5. That is your second row. Then third row minus 3 minus 8. So that is this entry. And then minus 2 minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1. Then 4 plus 3. So that is this entry. So this is your assignment entry. So after adding this, you will get the respective assignment of A matrix. Okay. So after adding them, so your assignment A becomes adding them you'll get 7 1 minus 3 minus 19 minus 1 11 minus 11 minus 1 and 7. So this is your assignment of A matrix, right? Then we need to find the A inverse. So your A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant of A into assignment A. So 1 by det A is equal to 4 and your assignment A is this matrix, right? And in case the matrix of assignment as the multiple of 4 means we have to multiply this 1 by 4 inside, but it is not, so just leave as it is. Then the solution is nothing but x equal to A inverse into B. So your A inverse is this matrix and the B is this right hand side of the given equation. So x equal to A inverse into the B matrix. So B matrix we are having this as your B matrix and then multiply them. So first row first column 7 7s are 49, 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 into 12 minus 36. Second row second column minus 133 plus 5 plus 132. Third row this, so minus 77 plus 5 plus 84. So adding them, so the first row you will get just 8 and adding them, that is minus 133 plus 132, it becomes minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Then this is nothing but 12. So 1 by 4 into this. So after multiplying this 8 by 4, 4 by 4, 12 by 4. This is your entry. And 8 by 4 is 2, 4 by 4 is 1 and 12 by 4 is 3. And what is your X matrix? It is XY Z. Therefore your X value is, your X value is 2, Y value is 1 and Z value is 3. So that is the solution for this matrix and that's all for this question number 14, right? And that's all for this video. So இதோட வந்து நம்ம இந்த வீடியோ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ரைட்? ஸோ அப்கமிங் வீடியோவில் நம்ம இதில் இன்னும் ஒரு 2 கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது. ஸோ 15 and 16. ஸோ அதோட வந்து இந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் ஓவர், ரைட்? ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல் ஃபார் this video. Remaining things we'll see in the next video. Thank you. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.